Hello Vintage Outboard Motor fans, this is T-Mike here on Toledo Bend Lake. I'm making another video today. Today's video is going to be on gas tanks. Had a subscriber send me a message asking for me to make a video on the gas tank. I recommend it, so I'm going to do that. Alright, so it's going to be a 4-part video. First part is going to be on the gas tank I recommend. Second part is going to be on the fuel line attachment that I recommend. Third part is going to be on the fuel filter that I would recommend you use. And then the fourth part is going to be on the accessories that go with the fuel system that I would recommend. So if everybody's ready, here we go. All right, so here we go. The first part of this video is going to be the gas tank itself, okay? I'm going to recommend this Scepter gas tank. You can find it at Walmart for $59.99. It's a plastic tank. It's vented. It's got a vent screw on the top. It's a 6-gallon tank, the one that I use. I love them. They last forever, don't rust. It's just your standard 6-gallon tank. All right, you can also get the same tank in the Outboard version. I love the Outboard products. It's $59 on Amazon, or you might be able to find it at Walmart also. All right, so the second part is going to be the hose connection that I recommend. So I'm going to recommend the Outboard fuel line kit, $39.99 on eBay. You can get it. It comes with, it's got a connector on this side of it. All right, the connector, the male part of the connector comes in the kit. You screw it into here, and then you just plug this in, and it comes with the right connection for OMC. Make sure and buy the OMC kit, not the Mercury or the Yamaha, but the OMC kit is going to have the right connector for the male connector on your motor. All right, so the third part of the video is going to be the fuel filter. Very important that you put a fuel filter in line. I like to put mine right here after the pump, before the connector, right here. Fuel filter I recommend, it would be an Outboard also. It's $2.95 on Amazon. All right, part number is 02269 712 5620. Very important to get a filter. All right, so you have all that set up. You're good to go. There are some accessories. Part 4 is the accessories that I recommend. First one is going to be an all mix bottle for your fuel. All right, you can get this for $15.10, the Outboard one on at Walmart, and it's easy to use. If you're doing 50 to 1 and you know you put 2.5 gallons in here, you look at the 51 chart, go down to 2.5, and you would put this much oil. Drop it in. That's very important. The other accessory that I would also recommend would be a fuel water separator to keep the water from getting into your engine that condenses and gets into your gas. I recommend the Outboard fuel water separator, 40.71 on boat outfitters. That would mount on the transom of your boat, and you would have to run this hose through it. All right, so that's everything you would ever need to know about the gas tank for your vintage outboard motor and all the accessories for it. I hope this helped you out. I love what I do. I love making my videos. Keep the requests coming on, and always remember, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See you next video. Enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I make at least one video every week, and then go ahead and hit the like button and join the T-Mike fraternity. So if you're this first time watching one of my videos, I have over 350 videos of everything you need to know about repair, maintaining, and restoring your vintage outboard motors. I specialize in Johnson & Evinrude's 3 horsepower to 20 horsepower, 1950s, 60s, and 70s. So as I said, I have every video you need to know on how to work on these motors. And if I don't have one, I want you to let me know. Just hit in the comments on one of the videos and tell me what video I need to make, and I'll make it for you. I've also got every part you need to work on these motors. I have an eBay store. You can get to my eBay store by Googling T-Mike Vintage Outboards, or click on the link down below in the description. I have over 2,000 parts in my eBay store. I sell all the hardware. I sell all the kits, spark wires, ignition, magneto components, points, coils, condensers, gear case, seals, everything. I even have some printed 3D printed plastic handle grips and other parts for you. So I have all the videos and I have all the parts you need. I also now am providing parts manuals. So I have over 150 hard copy parts manuals, 1923 to 1958. So you can get your parts manuals from me too. So this is my passion. My goal was to have every video, every part, and every parts manual that you need. And if I don't have what you need, let me know. You can always call me for technical assistance too. My number is 337-278-5429. Give me a shout out. I love text messaging. I'll try to help you and answer your question. So I enjoy what I do. I hope you're having as much fun as I am working on these motors. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See you next video.